up in your forecast and this weather impact alert that we are gearing up for overnight, which brings its own challenges.
Yeah, I gave you plenty of notice. We started talking about this really last Friday, Saturday, kind of put it out there in the wild over the weekend, and really just a heads up for tomorrow morning. Right now, this evening, next couple of hours, you're fine. Tomorrow, after mid-morning, you're fine. It's that window right around rush hour, bus stop time, all the things.
And people will be sleeping, so it's, this is why we got to tell you.
Yeah, and this is your opportunity now. As I said earlier, there's a snow shovel, there's a snow brush, there's a broom. Check all the boxes and just be ready. Yeah. Not one of the storms you need to go buy all the gallons of milk and bread type stuff. Maybe 2 or 3 inches, right? We're talking. I know. I'll break it down for you where you live coming up, but know that tonight snow is coming. Take a look at the radar scan right now. It looks like it's arriving a little earlier, and there might be a flurry south around Pickaway County, but the main body of snow is still about a half a state away in Indiana and moving east at a pretty good clip. It's not quite filled in, and it will do that tonight. Again, just about everybody in central Ohio will get some accumulating snow. That's why we've got the 10 weather impact alert for your Tuesday morning. And to be clear, we're talking about really early Tuesday morning. Once we get past 8 or 9 o'clock, we're going to be in the clear from the snow, but still digging out and dealing with the challenges that morning snow will present. Be prepared, know where your gear is, your precaution on the roads, give yourself some extra time and distance, and pay attention to those snow emergencies in your county. And of course, stay connected. When you're out and about, you always have the radar and the latest forecast on the palm of your hand with that 10 TV mobile app, a nice way to stay connected. Downtown right now, not bad in a relative sense of how it's going to be 12 hours from now as that snow begins to move in. We're 31 right now, and east breeze at about 8, feels like 23, so a little bit of a chill in the air with that wind coming back in. Now looking at the next 12 hours, we're dry until we're not. 30 degrees, very popular temperature after midnight, and a very little drop after that. What that means is it'll be a heavier, wetter snow with those temperatures right around the freezing mark, but it will also mean that the chemicals and the treatment that is on the roads and the sidewalks and that sort of thing should be very effective, making more of a wet slush than an icy snow. But even then, just be careful out there and give yourself a lot of extra time. Starting tonight around 11 o'clock, that's when that wave of snow begins to move in. It does fill in between midnight and 2 a.m. Look at just about all of the 10 TV viewing area at 4 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully you're still sleeping then, is in that light to moderate or the darker blue. That is a light to moderate, even heavy snow showers at times, but it's not going to last long. 6, 7, 8 o'clock, that back edge where the drier air begins to move in, pushes out of the zone by noon. And once we get past that, we're looking a lot better, but still dealing again with the snow that falls on the ground. What to expect? Expecting a couple of corridors of 4 to possibly 5-inch snowfall northwest of I-71 and southeast over near MacArthur and Chillicothe. Just about everywhere in between, including Delaware County, Fairfield County, Licking County, Franklin County, Pickaway County, and Union County will be in that 3-inch range. It'll be shovelable, plowable snow. 10 weather impact 7-day forecast focusing tomorrow again. That 10 weather impact alert till 9 o'clock and very early in the day. The rest of your Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday should be okay, but colder and breezy. We're tracking the chances of snow Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Not any one of those days or times looks especially troublesome, but something we're keeping an eye on. And the cold weather continues. High only 35 Saturday and Sunday, and only 33 next Monday.